Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone unable to share photos issue. Solution 1. Disable low power mode. Open your iPhone and tap Setting. Go down and tap Battery. Then toggle off the low power mode option. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Tap Settings and then tap General. Go down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset network settings. Well, you are asked to enter the screen passcode. OK, tap Reset network settings. Your iPhone restarts immediately with the factory network settings. Solution 3. Fix unable to share photos with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. Go to iSunshare.com, and then download iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software that can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Hit the Next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone system issue is repaired successfully. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.